Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to compare the 4G Plus a speed test and a download test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Poco X3 Pro device. And during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use a Geo SIM card and an example. Let's see which phone can actually have the really high speeds of download and how high speeds of internet speed. That's what I'm going to compare between these two phones. So first, you should know what type of SIM I'm trying to use. Let me show you the RX Monitor application. So this is the RX Monitor application. You will be able to exactly see the Geo SIM card. You can see on the top. And right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus sign. Carrier aggregation I'm not getting. But when I'm trying to do the testing, then I'll try to get the carrier aggregation meanwhile. So that I'm just showing you the results which SIMs I'm trying to use. So both SIMs are exactly GSIM cards only, friends. And in this location I'm not getting that carrier aggregation at this moment. But let me just start the test and let's see what happens with the carrier aggregation. And this is a NetMonster application which is showing on the Realme GT Neo 2. Sometimes I'm getting 2cc as well with the carrier aggregation. You can clearly see right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus, but randomly I'll be getting. And in the Poco X3 Pro, I'll be showing in the Poco X3 Pro which I'm getting 850 band, but there's no 4G plus. There's no 4G plus sign. As you can see, friends, clearly. Now let me need to continue the test. I think right now I'm getting any kind of sign. Yes, right now I'm getting the 2cc. Those two bands are connected at this moment, and sometimes it's not connected. But let me need to start the test. Let's see which phone will be able to download this game. So stock racing, which is of 62 MB size, so which is not a huge size, but still. So right now let me need to start downloading at same time between these both phones using same SIM cards. And on the top of the notification panel, you will be able to see exactly what kind of band frequency they are connected. Both phones are connected to same 850 band frequency. And you can see the signal strength as well between these two devices. And you can see the download speed is slightly faster in the Realme GT Neo 2. Even though both phones are connected to the same band frequency, which is 850. And using same GeoSIM card, using side by side, you can see the results are really faster in the Realme GT Neo 2. This is a pretty very good example, friends, because usually I'll not get this kind of really good results, but you can see very same band frequency 850. That's the reason. So whatever the light you are seeing blinking, that is a proximity sensor. You can see the light is blinking, that's a proximity sensor. Same thing is a light, that is not the notification light, that's a proximity sensor light only. Now as you can see, friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 is finishing first, then the Poco X3 Pro. You can clearly see. So using with the same SIM card in this device at same location, side by side, these are the results which we got. Let's open the speed test now. Let's go to the speed test and do the speed test. At this moment, let's see what is going on with the speed test. At same time I'm trying to do. So both phones are connected to the same kind of Geo server only. Geo Hyderabad, both phones. And you can take a look at the speeds, how the both phone speeds are maintaining at this moment. As you can see. So slightly better speeds in the Realme GT Neo 2, right? The same band frequency, exactly, same location. And right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus sign in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'm not sure why, but at this moment I'm not getting. So I'll try to continue the test. Next, I'll try to do the test individually. So let's do the individual in the Poco X3 Pro. Let's see what happens with this kind of test ratings. How much the Poco X3 Pro can actually get. So individual tests, sometimes we can get actually high speeds. When you're doing it same time is different, doing individually is different. That's the reason every time I'll try to include the individual speed test results, just to get a clear idea what's going on. So 13.3 Mbps speeds we got. And 1.34 upload speed. Let's see about the Realme GT Neo 2, what happens with this one. Can this beat this 13.3 or not? Yes, it can actually beat that points. It went up to 15, but it again decreased to 9 in the same location. So 10.4 Mbps of speeds we got. So in the same location, as you can see what is going on. So this time the Realme GT Neo 2 got slightly higher speeds, but let me do the test. Let's see what happens now. So I'm trying to use a browser in the Google Chrome just to check the speeds, what is happening between these both phones. Now I'm trying to continue in the Realme GT Neo 2. So few of the people, they did ask me to use the Google Chrome browser. That's the reason I'm trying to use. So here we got about close to 9 Mbps of speeds. .6, 9.2. The Poco X3 Pro, we are getting about 10 Mbps of speeds with the same band frequency. So individually, the phone is slightly kind of getting more speeds, but when I'm trying to do the both phones at the same time, then it's kind of struggling, I think. So 1 second, let me try to start at the same time both phones. Let's see what happens. So both phones are started at the same time. The Realme GT Neo 2, it's trying to pick up the speeds. And doing the test at the same time, these are the results we got. Not bad. So even the Poco X3 Pro is kind of really getting close. Slightly higher. So as you can see, friends, when you're trying to do the test at the same time. So when doing the test at the same time, slightly better results on the Realme GT Neo 2 doing individual test Poco X3 Pro device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.